Hey, it's me Kritika, and I am here to help you grow more confident and more happier about yourself. I know so many people are so obsessed with like they want to be happy but they don't know how to be happy. So in today's video we will talk about how to be happier and how to be more confident in your daily life. So, first of all, what is confidence? Confidence is doing anything without any fear, without any hesitation. So, confidence comes with experiences. Like, if you have a lot of experience in your life, you will be confident about that thing. But if you don't have, you will be like hesitant to do that thing, that how will the results come and how will that become to be like we create so many hacks in our mind that we don't even realize that being confident is other thing and the results of that process is another thing that comes like कि अगर हमने ये चीज़ करी है तो उसका रिजल्ट अगर अच्छा आया तो दैट्स बेस्ट. अगर उसका रिजल्ट गंदा आ रहा है तो दैट डजंट मीन कि आप उस चीज़ में कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है. आप उस चीज़ को कॉन्फिडेंटली करिए और उसके बाद आप अगर रिजल्ट अच्छा आ रहा है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं अच्छा आ रहा है तो कोई बात नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम मोर hard work and more smart work. And one more thing, in today's world we don't need too much hard work, we just need smart work with hard work. I'm not denying that hard work can replace smart work or smart work can replace hard work. No, they both need to be work simultaneously. That's only the reason how people become like bigger and how people achieve so many things at young ages, because they know where to use hard work and where to not. If you're using your energy according to that, then you're gonna be achieve everything you want. So yeah, confidence is your comes with experience, and experience comes when you start doing anything around yourself without any hesitation. And while you're doing something, you need to understand that why you're doing it, what will be the purpose of doing that. And one thing अपने दिमाग में हमेशा रखनी है कि जो भी चीज़ आप अच्छे से करना चाहते हैं उसको हमेशा अच्छे से करिए. आप उसको ऐसे नहीं डाल दे कि हाँ जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ कि हाँ ठीक है कर लिया तो कर लिया. नो, इफ़ यू आर डूइंग इट, डू इट विद योर हार्ट, डू इट विद योर माइंड, यूज़ योर होल एनर्जी इन दैट थिंग. नो मैटर क्या रिजल्ट आता है कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, बट तुमने उसमें जो एफर्ट्स लगाए हैं वो फ़र्क डालते हैं. क्योंकि जो तुमने उसमें एफर्ट्स लगाए ना, फिर तुमको बाद में रिग्रेट नहीं होगा कि यार मैं कर सकती थी बट मैं करना चाहती थी मैं कर नहीं पाई, या करना चाहती थी बट हो नहीं पाया. सो दैट पेन ऑफ रिग्रेट इज़ वर्स. आई ऑलवेज से पेन ऑफ रिग्रेट इज़ वर्स देन पेन ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. So you need to understand this. You need to choose what you will choose, pain of discipline or pain of regret. Obviously no one gonna choose pain of regret, because regret is worse than anything else in the world. So yeah, so next thing I will discuss in today's video will be how to be confident while talking. Like I'm talking to a camera, but I am assuming that so many girls or so many boys might be watching me. So I am having the hacks in my mind that I am standing in front of so many people and I am speaking. And you need to understand, if you're doing public speaking, you need to understand your voice should be louder. Not that much louder कि वो दूसरों के कान ही फाड़ दे, but it should be louder that दूसरे के कान तक आवाज़ तो पहुँचे. वरना मैं यही चीज़ ऐसे भी बोल सकती वरना मैं यही चीज़ ऐसे भी बोल सकती हूँ, like your voice should be louder. You like it? No. When you speak with so much energy, that shows your confidence. That's another thing. Like when you speak with so much energy, your confidence emerges automatically. Then nothing, you should not worry about nothing. Like your vocabulary is not good, it's okay. If your translation is not that good, it's okay. If your pronunciation is not that, it's okay. Who cares? When you are talking with so much confidence, when you have communication skills. And people confuse communication skills with vocabulary, with pronunciation, that how you are speaking. No, that's not communication. Communication is what I'm saying and what I'm trying to convey, you are perceiving it right. That's communication skill. And when you have it, that's the biggest achievement in life. That's amazing thing. I will say this to every girl and every boy, that if you know how to communicate your feelings, how to make other person understand what you are feeling and what you are thinking, that's the biggest achievement, biggest goal of yours, and the biggest skill. So yeah, communication skill is very good. You need to attain it by doing self talks, and right now I am doing a self talk, and if I will like I will listen to it, and if I will like it, I will gonna post it. I'm not doing it with the perception कि यार मैं इसको post ही करूँगी. I'm doing it with myself कि मैं अगर ऐसी जगह पे हूँ, क्योंकि it's my dream to do these things. So I am doing it with the perception of that thing in my mind. That's how people and things work out. It's not gonna be perfect all the time, but at least you are doing it. You're not like other person who are just sitting and thinking, yeah, I will do it. Yes, I will do it after this age. Age is just a number. We know this. We say it so many times, but we don't follow it. When will you follow it? When your age will pass? When will you understand there is no age to do anything? You can dance as 50, you can dance at 60, you can dance as 20, you can dance at 5 years of age. It's you who will decide when you gonna do that thing and how you gonna do it. If you love something with your whole heart, then you don't gonna listen to anything. You're gonna do it with your whole heart and with your whole perception. Yeah, I can do it. And that's the perception we need in society. That's the thing we need in society. So yeah, that's it. I hope it will help you grow more, and we will come with more videos again and again and again, because I'm gonna love it while sharing all my experiences. And yeah, I have also evolved into this person. Earlier I was bad at this thing, but now I am achieving it with small little steps. And I will say this same thing to you, that do it no matter what is occurring in your life. Do it what you want to do, because you don't know what will happen next. क्या तुम्हें उस वक्त टाइम मिलेगा ये सब करने का? No, we don't know ना, we don't know future. Neither we can create that perception कि yeah, it will happen like this, or it will gonna like मतलब ऐसा ही होगा. We can't even think of it. We don't know. क्या पता next moment ही मेरी death हो जाए, next moment ही मुझे heart attack आ जाए. It can happen. इसलिए प्रेजेंट मोमेंट को एंजॉय करिए. जो आप प्रेजेंट में हैं उसको, अगर मैं आपके साथ कुछ शेयर कर रही हूँ तो मैं प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में शेयर कर रही हूँ. आई विल शेयर इट लेटर विद यू, बिकॉज व्हेन विल आई पोस्ट इट यू विल गेट टू नो इट. बट एटलीस्ट आई एम डूइंग इट विद माई हार्ट. आई एम डूइंग इट बिकॉज माई हार्ट इज सेइंग या कृतिका डू इट, यू नीड टू डू इट. You have so many things to say to world, and you need to say this, because in normal life people don't listen. When they listen when they need it. Are you getting me? No one gonna listen until they need something from you. No one gonna listen until they need something from you. I repeat, no one gonna listen you. So make them listen with your words, with your thinking. Do the change, do the complexity with whole perception of theirs, and do like you. That's me. Bye bye, take care.